our shop. My name is Sam and I'm the owner of RTP Customs. If this is your first time on our channel, we specialize in wheel repair and custom powder coating. And we do vlogs of the cool projects that come through and we show you what happens on our production line. Today's a little bit different. Today is Sunday. We're actually going to be meeting up with a very good friend of ours to do a photo shoot on his Lamborghini. We recently did a very nice custom color on the wheels. And today we want to spice up our showroom by adding new posters. And that Lamborghini is going to be part of it. So today I'm going to take you with me to show you what happens behind the scenes of a very cool photo shoot. Are you guys ready? Let's make it happen. Everybody's on their phone, sharing on social media. This is the man right here that did all the mask taping on this wheel.
Yeah, we got it.
Yes, sir. Now you're able to see the finished product out in the open, right?
That is the satisfaction. Mask taping. Yes, sir.
Hard work paid off. Yeah, at first you told me Walmart. I was a little skeptical. I was like, man, all right, well. Felipe, every year you say next year we're gonna buy our car. I mean, come on, man. We've been in business for 5 years.
This is the year.
No, I think it's still too soon.
Too soon?
It's still too soon. I think I want to buy another company first, get our production line up and running, more automated with machineries. I'm okay with driving the Ford Transit in my dad's car for now.
Yeah, me too.
Perfect.
Me too.
Then.
All right, well, let's get your shots in.
We got some employees walking in to kick us out, possibly.
Should I go sweet talk?
Yeah, you should. Hey, tell her we got donuts in the back of the car.
Just taking a couple of pictures, that's all.
The lady called the tow truck on us, so they're coming to pick up our cars.
Over cars?
Yeah, from over there. We'll figure it out. There we go. Truck driver's like, hey, just leave your Lambo there so I can take some pictures. It's people that don't know how to communicate. Good job, Caleb. So here we are, getting kicked out of the Walmart parking lot. Let's see what's next. It's gonna be my first time getting in a Lamborghini on the road. Let's see how it feels. Let's get it.
Yeah, it's low.
It is low, but what I like about your seats is they're comfortable compared to the Performante.
You need to.
No, that's actually perfect.
Yeah, the reason I didn't get Performante because it has its own aero and the wing sits higher, and I couldn't do the way I wanted to look. So I was looking at Performantes only for a long time, and then switched to this.
Yeah, it's definitely comfortable for to be almost a daily.
Yeah,
with the seats.
it's a pretty good car.
Oh man!
I guess we gotta go a little bit slower so we can catch it with the drone. You guys gonna be in all the drone shots.
Oh, are we? I should hide then, my bad.
Oh man. Tell him, dude, I almost got you.
Yeah, you guys are moving pretty fast. We're trying to avoid you, so that way the car is not in the drone. So it's just the Lamborghini. But man, the minute he hit that gas, I was like, oh, can't breathe. Man, it feels like a roller coaster when it takes that dip.
Yeah.
Wow, man, that thing is powerful. So pretty soon it'll be in for us to change the tips. We're gonna do them black with an orange accent. Yeah, we can call it a day. Again, Sam, we really appreciate your time for giving us this opportunity. It means a lot.
Anytime.